How to make text post on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Then tap on this plus icon. There you will see the option of text. Simply tap on it. Wait for it to load. So after this loads, you just have to write the text for the post you want like this. Go to done. You can add stickers, music, and simply post it to your feed or your story. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.